cookies! I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a popsicle ice cream. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Now let's look at the picture.
It has ice cream and popsicle stick. Let's look at the picture one more time. Ice cream and popsicle stick. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the top of popsicle. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here right in the middle. We're gonna draw a big upside down U shape. We go up, curve, down and stop. It's a very big upside down U. The next step is the bottom of our popsicle. Draw two little curves, one on the left side and the second on the right side. And let's connect these curves with straight line. Straight line.
Okay, good job. I like your lines. Take your time, don't rush. Pause the video and continue when you are ready.
Then we're gonna draw U shape for the popsicle stick on the bottom of our ice cream. We go down, curve and up. Then let's draw 4 wavy lines inside popsicle stick. The first, the second, the third and the fourth. Then let's draw a heart inside the popsicle. I start over here in the middle, go up, curve, right and down and left. Then draw the same step but in mirror image. I start over here, go up, curve left and connect with this line. Now let's draw rays around the heart. Draw as much as you want.
Wow, you drew your popsicle so well. I like it. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo, Nanny Julie Art. I will see your drawing and I will answer to share your message. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like.
My heart will be red. The first step is tracing. The next step is coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose pink for this stripe. Then I choose orange, tracing again and coloring inside. Then I choose yellow, green, light blue, dark blue, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose violet, tracing and coloring inside. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Then pink again, tracing, coloring inside. Yellow, tracing and coloring inside. Yellow, tracing and coloring inside. Light green, tracing and coloring inside. Then light blue, light blue, dark blue, violet, gray, and dark green. Then I choose brown for this brown for popsicle stick. Tracing again and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines.
Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing your popsicle. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. All links to social networks in the description under the video. Love you, bye bye!